Vincent Massey Park is among the large parks of Ottawa. I find it to be one of the largest I've ever visited. Vincent Massey Park is well known for picnics and concerts, family gatherings. There's even been weddings there. Today I'm taking a walk through the park and I do have a special guest with me. I'm here in Ottawa at the Vincent Massey Park. This is the main entrance and the main parking lot. The parking lot is right at the entrance of the Vincent Massey Park. The section of the park that I entered is it's a main bicycle path. So from there it leads to the main entrance, which is the parking lot. And here I'm entering some of the trails in the park. There are lots of trails that take you through various parts of the park. Some of the sections are closer to the road, which is the area that most people are familiar with. And the other sections are further down. It spreads very far out, as far as the Carleton University. It stretches over to Bronson Avenue and Heron. Come along the journey with me and enjoy the beauty of Vincent Massey Park. It's a lovely area for picnic and family gatherings. One of the main concert areas. When there are concerts, they are kept in this area here, which is a lower area of the park. It's the chosen place for concerts because the noise isn't carried over on the other side. So you could have a concert going on here, and there could be a picnic on the other side, which is closer to the Heron Road and Riverside area. And the noise down here would not distract anyone on the other side. That's how big the park is. And there are lots of trails all over the park, so it's a lovely place to take a walk, connecting with nature and the beauty of the place. I did mention that I have a special guest with me, and here's my special guest, patiently waiting for me. Right here is my mom. We took a walk together this morning, and we went over on the other side and came over here where we've walked the trails. We've gone all over, and she's a little tired now. There's so much to see here. The breathtaking moments are coming, so keep on watching and enjoy.